The Cesspool by Miguel del Bosque. Half the time it's impossible to go out in the sinking cesspool. Either it's too bloody hot, as it is now, 40 degrees, or in the winter it's bloody freezing and -30. The climate is inhospitable in the cesspool, and so are the people. It's horrid, a miserable place, the cesspool. I dread going out, Cat said. The bugs and the insects, the critters, the roadkill, it's all abject, really. But you know what? The weather is all that the locals talk about. The weather in the cesspool. Meaningless tripe. I came here into the cesspool and I really don't know what brought me here in the first place, Kat said. You know what? They got rid of everything which had any character or color here in the cesspool. They bulldozed all the quaint little pubs and replaced them with fast food outlets. Everything here is become bleak, colorless, and everything's reduced to mediocrity. There's unskilled labor everywhere. Everyone's a landscaper or a glorified lawnmower. Everything's of inferior, shoddy quality and workmanship.